Hey everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video I will show you how to transfer crypto from Gate.io to Coinbase. So without further ado, the first thing you need to do is to go over to Gate.io and log in. Once you're logged in, go over to the top right and go over to Wallet. Here you will need to click on the withdrawal button. You'll then be sent over to a page looking similar to this one. And over on this page, the first thing you need to do is to select the coin you want to withdraw. So in my case, I'll go ahead and select Labs. You'll then need to select the chain you want to use for your withdrawal. As you can see, for me there's only one chain available. But if you need to choose between chains and you don't know which one to use, I recommend you do a quick Google search. The next thing you need to do is to fill in the address. So to find your address, you need to go over to Coinbase and then go over to the send/receive button. You'll then get this pop-up and here you will need to click on receive. Be sure to select the right cryptocurrency. If you send crypto to the wrong address, your crypto will be lost. Once you've read that, click on I understand. Since we're not transferring crypto from Coinbase to Coinbase, for now click on the skip for now button. You'll then get a screen looking similar to this one. And this is your address. So make sure to select the same coin as you have selected on Gate.io. In my case, that is Labs. Unfortunately, Labs isn't available on Coinbase. If the coin you want to transfer from Gate.io to Coinbase isn't available on Coinbase, what you need to do is to go over to Gate.io and then go over to Markets. You'll then need to sell your coin into USDT, and with your USDT you will need to buy a coin that is available on Gate.io as well as on Coinbase. So for this example I'll be using Algo. So I'll go over to Gate.io and also select Algorand. You'll then need to select the chain again. In this case, again, there's only one chain available. And now you need to fill in the Algo address. And as you can see, over on Coinbase, I have Algo selected as my asset, so I'll go ahead and click on the copy button. Now go over to Gate.io and paste your address in. You can choose to fill in an address description, but it's not necessary. The next thing you'll need to do is to fill in the amount of Algorand you want to transfer. Since currently I have most of my value invested in Labs, I don't have the amount of Algo available to complete this transfer. But the process will still be the same. So once you have filled in the amount of coins you want to withdraw, the next thing you need to do is to fill in your fund password. If you have forgotten your fund password, you can check this video I have made on how to reset your fund password. The next thing you'll need to do is to fill in your email code. To get this code, click on the send email code button. If you have the Google Authenticator enabled, you will also need to fill in the one-time password generated in the Google Authenticator. Once you have filled in everything you need to fill in, the last thing you will need to do is to click on Submit Request. The estimated time you have to wait on your transfer to come through depends on which coin you transferred. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.